Just want to take a second to read the comment here. And then let me tell you what was she replying to. She was replying to the statistics breaking down the paternity fraud, aka jacket, in Jamaica by parishes. And this is the response. So you're telling me that because someone go through, look at the stats to see what percentage of jackets are being given in a specific parish in Jamaica, they might attack woman? And then you're going to tell me, say, something wrong with me? And for future reference, people, anybody comment on the video, I'm gonna like your comment. Why, you may ask? Because the time you took to comment on my video, that is precious time, that is interaction. TikTok like that shit. And as much as I'm not a big creator, I would even call myself a creator, I'm just somebody who come on the internet and talk, and I want to talk at the time. One day I might get there, one day I may not. Nah, stress over it. However, thank you for the interaction, my darling. Thank you for the free content. However, again, something is wrong with you. It's like you go to the mechanic and the mechanic tell us, say, yo, you know, say your car engine now work good, and you gotta say mechanic attack you. What? That's literally what you're doing right now. Someone is saying to you, this person is not saying no, you are the jacket, you know, but at this point might as well it seems like you are give. The person is not telling you say you are the jacket, you know. The person is saying, hey, in the country that you live in, the rate of paternity is very high. And then the person go on as to break it down per parish. Because the person point out that, look here, if you're gelding, aka if you're not a pitney yet, brother, next Father's Day nobody feel too bad. They might attack you? Oh, me not get it. But again, as me say, maybe something not so right up here, so. But one thing though, separate and apart from her reply, people, do you know that countries, Asian countries to be exact, have one of the lowest paternity fraud rates out there? May I talk about 1%? And you know why? Paternity fraud is a criminal offense in some of these countries. Or you can be penalized. Versus Jamaica, if you give a man a jacket, I just eat that. So maybe instead of the government is saying, yo, paternity tests need to be done at the hospital, maybe what they need to do is to make paternity fraud a crime. Not saying testing it shouldn't be done, because me personally, I believe that any woman who may deal with, once she's pregnant, when the child come to be, paternity test will be done. And this is not me saying I don't trust the woman. This is on my own this is on my own peace of mind. But hey, again, guys, this is just me sharing my thoughts. And again, young lady, thank you for the free content.